this guest room has been a little bit of a puzzle for me ever since we bought this house. It's smaller. We painted it a slightly darker color khaki than other rooms in the house, so I always felt like it made it feel small. And while I liked the furniture that we bought, it only came with one nightstand, so it wasn't very well balanced. I couldn't find the right colors. I just didn't know what to do. But luckily I kept searching and I found some great pieces that I think are going to make this room look great. So let me show you what I found. I am so happy with how this room turned out. It has been such a labor of love, and it really all started when I found this quilt. I tried so many colors in this room. I tried corals, I tried seafoam, I tried bright colors, but something about the crispness of the white and the navy blue against the white headboard and the side table really said to me, this is the right direction. So once I found the quilt and put that all together, it was a matter of finding some artwork for the room. And when I saw this painting, again, it just was like, yay, this is it. And I love this picture because it has tones of blue in it. It looks like the ocean and waves, so it's appropriate for a beach house. But look how there's silver foil in that picture. And it's that reflective silver that really sort of drove the direction for the rest of my design here. I found mercury glass lamp so I could play off of that silver reflection, which I think is so pretty. I needed a table for the other side of the bed. So I found this table inexpensive. It was $29. It was actually a super bright turquoise color when I found it. So I bought 2 cans of spray paint. I spray painted it white, and now I have something that looks light and airy and is perfect as a balance to the heavier piece of furniture on the other side of the room. I added some throw pillows here with some Euro shams and a little lumbar style pillow just to anchor that navy blue color. And then I played off of that navy blue with this piece of furniture. This was actually in another room in the house. So I shopped my house and found a way to bring it up into this space, adding some more touches of white. And I always love to add a little touch of floral. So now that this guest room is complete, I wanted to make sure that there were also a couple of nice touches for my guests when they arrived. I always like to do some kind of a welcome basket, including some little treats so that when they retreat to their room in the evening, they're able to have something to munch on. This is a homemade cookies and cream popcorn that I made. You can find this recipe on justjill.com. But I also like to include some of my favorite products. So if it's a girls' weekend, they get to try things they've never tried before, and just practical things like shampoo and conditioner, things that people might have forgotten. And then the last thing, just to say welcome. I'm so glad that you're here. This is such an easy DIY that anybody can do. It's a picture frame that I found, and instead of putting in a picture, I cut a piece of pretty scrapbook paper and used that instead as the background. This one had a beach motif, so it was perfect. Put the glass back on, but did you know that you can write on glass with a dry erase marker? So you can personalize this note to whoever is staying in your room, and guess what? It wipes right off so that you don't have to worry about it staining, and it makes it reusable over and over again. If you don't use something like this in a guest room, it's also a great to-do list in your kitchen. I love to use it that way too. So my guest room is complete. When are you coming over? I'd love to have you stop by anytime.